Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're already in the call, so act now. Tap your local video tile to surface the on-screen camera controls. Once done, scan the top or bottom of the tile for the portrait or video effects icon. That button switches background blur on and off. You want to turn it off so your background appears sharp and natural. Tap the portrait control once to disable the blur. Make sure you see the live preview change so you know it worked before moving on to adjustments. Now you'll toggle the effect. Press the portrait or video effects button and watch the preview. You should see the subject and background regain full detail. That visual confirmation is how you verify the blur is off. If nothing changes, make sure you tapped your own tile and not someone else's. Also, if you're using an external webcam or adapter, check that device's control app because some cameras apply blur themselves. Disable any camera side background effects so Facetime shows an unblurred image. Finish by continuing the call with the portrait effect disabled. Check periodically while you move to ensure it stays off. If the setting won't stick, force quit Facetime and relaunch the app or restart the device to clear a temporary camera state. Make sure your iOS is up to date. Older builds sometimes mishandle video effects. If problems persist, go to Settings, Facetime, or Camera, and disable any background or video effects there. This one troubleshooting step typically solves persistent portrait mode reactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.